A very good morning to all. In the last class, in social science, we started with the chapter, the sky and the earth. And we learned about the sky and the earth. So earth is our home. We live on earth. Plants, animals, human beings all live on earth. Earth has life. And today, we are going to learn about a new topic. You know what is that? That is about the type of land on the earth's surface, or we can say landforms of the earth. So what does landforms means? So landforms means the natural or physical features on the earth's surface, that we call it as landforms. So what are landforms? The natural or the physical features which is present on the earth's surface, that we call it as landforms. Like the mountains, plain, valleys, island, desert, all these are examples for landforms on the earth. Today we are going to discuss some of these landforms in detail. So first, let's start with mountain. So the mountains are high land with pointed peak. So the mountains are high land with pointed peak. So you can see the tip of the mountain. Do you know what do we call the tip of the mountain? We call the tip of the mountain as the peak. So mountains are high land with pointed peak. And this mountain, this is the highest landform on the earth. So mountain is the highest landform on the earth. So that tip part is called the peak. So mountains are high land with pointed peak. And the next one is the plains. So the flat area on the earth's surface, that is called as the plain. The flat surface of the earth, that we call it as plains. So you can see the picture here. The flat area of the earth's surface, that we call it as plains. The next one, hills. Hills are also high land. But do you know what is different from mountain and hill? Hills are high land, but they are not tall as a mountain. Mountains are high land with pointed peak. But hills are also high land, but they are not tall as a mountain. We can call them as small mountains. Small mountains are called hills. And the next one is the valley. So valley is the area which is located between mountain and hill. That area we call it as valley. So valley is the area which is located between mountain and hill. So these are some of the landforms on the earth's surface. So which are the four types of landforms? That is the mountain. It is a high land with pointed peak. And the second one, we can say hill. Small mountains are called hills. So they are also high land, but they are not tall as a mountain. Then what about valley? Valley is the area between mountains and hills. The area located between mountains and hills. Then plains. The flat surface, the flat area on the earth's surface is called the plains. So that is about the different types of land. Now let's move on to the exercise. You can take page number 38 in your textbook. So in that exercise, you can see a picture, and what you have to do here is, you have to label the following types of land. So we learned the four different types of land. Which are the four different types of land? Mountain, hill, plains and valley. So let's see the first one. So you can see a pointed peak, a high land with pointed peak. So that is the mountain. Then coming down, you can see a high land which is not high as a mountain. So that is called the hill. And next to that, you can see an area which is located between mountain and hill. And what is that? That is the valley. And there you can see the plain area, a flat area on the earth's surface. That is the plain. So these are the four types of landforms on the earth. Coming to the second exercise, here what you have to do is, you have to tick the things that you can see in the sky. So we learned that in the sky we can see different things. And the sky looks different on a sunny day, on a rainy day, and at night. And what you have to do here is, you have to tick the things that you can see on the sky at night. Okay, the first one, flowers. Can we see flowers in the sky at night? No. What about star? Can we see stars in the sky at night? Yes, you can see the twinkling stars in the sky at night. So you can tick there. What about the moon? It's a picture of a moon. Can we see moon in the sky at night? Yes. So you can tick in that box. Coming to the third exercise. Here what you have to do is, you can tick the things that you see in the sky during sunny day. The first one, clouds. Can we see clouds during sunny day? Yes, you can see the sky. You can see the clouds in the sky. And on the sunny day, the clouds look like cotton balls, right? So you can tick in that box. Second one, birds. Can we see birds in the sky? Yes, you can see the birds flying up the sky during the day. The third one, what is that? That is the sun. It's a picture of a sun. Can we see the sun during the day? Yes, the sun brightens the earth. It gives us heat and light. So you can tick in that box. Next one, what's that picture? It's a picture of a rabbit. Can we see rabbit in the sky? No, we can see rabbit on the earth. Next one is rainbow. Can we see rainbow? Yes, you can tick in that box. And what is the last picture? It's a picture of a fish. Can we see the fish in the sky? No. So these are the different things that we can see in the sky during the day. And there is a question for us to think over. So let me read the question. So the question is, you have to make a list of what people around us doing which is harmful for the earth. So the question here is, you have to think over and you have to make a list of people around us doing wrong to the earth. So are we doing anything which is harmful for the earth? So we are doing. So let's talk about deforestation. You know what is deforestation? Deforestation means cutting down of trees. What happens when you cut down all these trees? So you are cutting down all these trees and building up, new buildings are being constructed. And when you cut down all these trees, it creates many problems to the earth. That is why today we all are facing problems like flood. So it is actually harmful for the earth. So likewise, you can also think over in how we are doing something wrong for the earth. So you can also think over these questions and you can just discuss the answer with your parents. Coming to the next one, it is an activity for you. What you have to do here is, you can see a picture, you can color that picture, and near to that picture, you can see a blank there. You can fill that blank by giving the right letters and you can color that picture. And one more activity for you. Here what you have to do is, you have to list some activities that you can do to save our earth. So earth is our home and we have to save our earth. And you can make a list of activities in ways that we can save our earth. We can save our earth by saving water, plant more trees. So likewise, you can write about some of the activities of how we can save our earth. You can write it down in your notebook with proper date. So once you have done this, you can send it to me through Microsoft Teams. So that is all about this chapter. Coming to page number 35, the first page of your chapter, and there is a small question for you. What can we see in the sky and on the earth during a sunny day? So what can we see on the sky and on the earth during a sunny day? On the sky we can see the birds, clouds, sun. On the earth we can see plants. So likewise, you can write the things that you see in the sky and on the earth during sunny day. So this is all about our chapter, Sky and the Earth. So where do we live? We live on Earth. And we should protect our Earth. We should take care of our Earth. So we'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, thank you.